Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back. Happy Halloween if you're celebrating. I have a really fun video for you guys today. It's a Harry Potter Halloween box swap. I'm so happy I'm participating in this swap. It is fun and exciting. We usually do this over Christmas for 𝗚𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀, but this year we decided to mix things up and do a Halloween one instead. My box is right here. We're gonna open it together. I didn't even peek. I don't know what's inside, but I do know that it came from one of my favorite people, Melissa from Geeking Out with 𝗠𝗲𝗻𝗆. Her channel will be linked down below with everyone else who is participating. There's definitely a lot of channels who are participating in this box swap, so definitely check them out below. And the two people who are hosting this box swap is Christian from McDorks and Melissa from Geeking Out with 𝗠𝗲𝗻𝗆. So I am so happy that Melissa sent me a box. It's gonna be incredible. I already know, because Melissa is amazing and she puts the most incredible boxes together, so I cannot wait to get inside this box and see what's in there. So some of the requirements for this swap was that we had to include an item like a candle or something that lights up, I think an item that represents your house, a Halloween related item, and like a mystery item. And I think everything had to be no less than $100 before shipping. And we didn't know who our person was going to be until we received our box. And of course we filled out like a little questionnaire of things we like, we don't like, things we collect, things we don't, and so on and so forth. So without further ado, let's get into this box, because I've literally been waiting for like 2 weeks. It's been standing there and I didn't have the time to record because I was sick and then my kids were home. So now finally I feel good, my kids are quiet, and we can do this. So let's open this box. All right, so here is this huge box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. The box is sealed really good. Melissa's always on top of that, just like me. I like triple seal my boxes. Let me open it and we'll take a look what's inside. I got everything open. It took me a minute. You could see my cheeks are red. I had to fight with the tape. Oh my goodness, it is so beautifully wrapped. I have to show it to you again. And I feel like it smells so good. I don't know what it is, but there's an incredible scent coming from this box. Oh my goodness, Melissa, you're just incredible. All right, I don't even know what to pick. Okay, we're gonna pick this one. Wait, is there a card here? I didn't even look. I don't even know. I don't see a card. I just don't know if it fell. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this one, and if I find a card later on, we'll read it together. We have this little item. She packages it so well. It's like a little pumpkin. I feel like maybe it's like a candle. So we have this candle. It is adorable and spooky all at the same time. I love it. And this is what I was smelling. Yes, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Look how beautiful it looks. And it's the wooden wick. Amazing. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Melissa. This smells so good. Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights. I've never been, and now I have a little piece from there. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Here is our next item. It says magical creature. I feel like I know what it is, just judging by what I feel. I think I know. Oh, this is so cute. I was like, it is some kind of headband or some kind of ears. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. We gotta try it on. And it's gonna match my shirt. So cute. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. I love this little detail. So stinking cute. I just love the way this looks. It's like a pumpkin. It's so cute. The wrapping, the twine, and the burnt edges. Melissa, you're just a whole different level of creative person. You are amazing. Thank you so much. I'm dying to see what's inside. It's heavy. It definitely has some weight. So let's see. It's a pumpkin. Oh, he's so cute. He is a weighted pumpkin. The weight is like right over here. That's what I was feeling. Oh my goodness, he's adorable. And it says Hogwarts. He's so cute. I love him. Thank you so much. He's adorable. Oh my goodness, he's adorable. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. And he's such a good quality. I love him. Thank you, Melissa. We got candy. Thank you so much. I absolutely love Skittles. They're one of my favorites. I'm going to hide this because my little guy loves these as well. Okay, so here is our last item. It says Enchantment and Halloween at Hogwarts. It is wrapped beautifully. I love the purple stamp. And Melissa's just amazing. So let's see what's inside. I don't know, kind of feels kind of big, judging by the box. Oh my god, I feel so bad ripping these things. Holy moly, it's like a treasure box over here. There's so many things in here. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, there's so many things in here. I pulled out this first. Melissa, you are amazing. Okay, I took this out because it was reflecting so much, but I feel like now I got it at the perfect angle. So this just talks about the white plume agate. So it's a stone, and Melissa knows me very well because we both love to collect crystals and stones, and it is gorgeous. It is so beautiful. The colors are insanely gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. And it comes with this, so you could wear it as a necklace. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. This is an incredible stone. Thank you so much. All right, let's see what else we're gonna find. There's so many goodies in here. It says Halloween at Hogwarts. So let's open up this one. I don't know what it is. This is like a blind box. Oh, look at this. This is so cool. Do you see the light? I already turned it on. Do you see it changing inside? Wow. This is incredible. Okay, so we have one small thing here. It says Enchantment, and it is a pin. Ministry of Magic. So cool. Beautiful. I like it, and it's huge. Melissa got me everything from Universal Studios. I've been there so long ago. Harry Potter World wasn't there. Okay, I think this is a mug. And again, it looks like the most perfect little pumpkin. So let's open this up. Oh, Melissa, you got me so many beautiful, gorgeous, amazing, perfect goodies. Oh, nice. The Pumpkin King. I love this. This is so cool. Oh my goodness, Melissa, you're the best. You are the best. This is incredible. I love this. And because I have ginormous hands and fingers, this fits perfectly. Like, I don't have to try to squeeze 2 fingers in here. I can squeeze my 3 fingers in here. So this is perfect. Oh my god, thank you so much, Melissa. Thank you. Oh my goodness, Melissa, thank you so much. This was so fun. You put such a beautiful box together for me. I absolutely love everything, from the pen to the mug to the pumpkin and I mean everything. It is just incredible. The candle, the stone, oh my goodness, the headband, the ornament, I love it all. And Skittles. Thank you so much. I love you and I hope to see you someday soon because it's been way too long since we've met in the Disney parks. Everyone who's participating in this box swap will be linked down below. Make sure you check all of them out and then you'll find out also who I sent my box to. I hope that the person likes it. I definitely had so much fun putting it together. I want to say a big thank you to Christian from McDorks and Melissa from Geeking Out with Melly Mel for putting this box swap together, for organizing everything, for staying on top of everything, and just helping us get to the finish line. As always, you guys both are incredible and I love you so much. And thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Happy Halloween!